Toyota is working on something big, and it's not just another vehicle, it's a revolutionary hydrogen-powered ride. You might already know about the Mirai, their hydrogen-fueled car that uses fuel cells to generate electricity. But Toyota has taken it a step further with an all-new technology, the hydrogen combustion engine, a potential game-changer for the auto industry. While many manufacturers are going fully electric, Toyota is choosing a different path. And it's not just about standing out, it's about delivering something better. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into Toyota's new hydrogen combustion engine, how it works, and what it could mean for the future of transportation. The planet's facing a serious climate crisis, with the transportation sector contributing around 15% of global carbon emissions, according to globalcitizen.org. Traditional combustion engines have long been part of the pollution problem. Although electric cars are rising in popularity, they aren't the only solution. This is where Toyota steps in. Toyota's new hydrogen combustion engine represents their innovative approach to achieving carbon neutrality. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and offers incredible energy potential. It's exhaust-free, non-toxic, and can be produced from various sources, stored indefinitely, and shipped with ease. Hydrogen is already powering industries like electric vehicles, ships, trains, and more. But what's so special about hydrogen engines? They offer longer ranges without the need for recharging like electric cars. And the only byproduct from the exhaust is water, no harmful emissions. So, how does it all work? Hydrogen engines use a fuel cell that converts hydrogen into electricity. It's not magic, it's science. Stay tuned as we uncover more about Toyota's new hydrogen engine and its game-changing impact on the automotive world. Enjoying the content? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Join us for more insights and exciting news. Be part of the community today.
Hydrogen 7 in 2005, using a dual-fuel system of hydrogen and gasoline. However, there were downsides, like the highly flammable nature of hydrogen, difficulties with processing and storage, and the emission of nitrous oxide during combustion, which is still considered a pollutant by the EPA. But Toyota believes that no single solution can reduce vehicle emissions globally. That's why they're investing in multiple areas to meet immediate, medium-term, and long-term needs. Hydrogen plays a key role in Toyota's Beyond Zero campaign. The GR Corolla H2, equipped with a 1.6L turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, is their latest hydrogen-powered vehicle. It runs entirely on hydrogen, using thick armored fuel tanks to safely store the flammable gas, a technology they adapted from their fuel cell vehicle, the Mirai. Toyota is cooking up something new in their garage, and it's not just any ordinary vehicle. We're talking about a brand new revolutionary hydrogen vehicle. You may have heard about the Mirai, the hydrogen-powered Toyota vehicle that uses fuel cells to generate electricity. But now Toyota has come up with something completely different. They're calling it the new hydrogen combustion engine, a technology that could be a game-changer in the automotive industry. With 5 kilograms of hydrogen, the car can be driven for up to 300 miles. And the only thing it emits is 50 liters of water. Talk about environmentally friendly. Now, let's talk about the power. Toyota has also teamed up with Yamaha Motor to create a hydrogen-fueled V8 engine. That's right, a V8 that runs on hydrogen, producing 455 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque. But the real showstopper is the 8-into-1 top-mounted exhaust manifold, which creates a unique high-frequency sound. If that's not enough, hydrogen-powered cars also have a higher range and faster refueling times compared to electric vehicles, only 90 seconds for the GR Yaris H2. Plus, it reduces the need for limited supply materials like lithium and nickel, which are in short supply. The Corolla H2 is definitely something to keep an eye on, and with real-world testing already underway, it won't be long before we see these cars hitting the road. And when it does, forget everything you know about electric cars. Because the Toyota hydrogen combustion engine has a lot of advantages over them, the biggest one being that it has a larger range, and refueling is as fast as a drag race. Not only is this technology beneficial to drivers, but it's also environmentally friendly. The Toyota hydrogen engine doesn't require nearly as much rare metal as lithium or nickel, which are critical to the manufacturing of EV batteries. And while it does have a battery, it's substantially smaller than an EV's battery. The Corolla Cross H2 concept car is now undergoing real-world evaluation and winter road condition testing in northern Japan. And with the Japanese government's high hopes for hydrogen, they plan to have 200,000 fuel cell-powered vehicles on the road by 2025 and 800,000 by 2030, with more refueling stations planned across the country. Now, let's talk about the sound. It not only sounds fantastic, but the exhaust bark is no different from a tuned gasoline-powered vehicle. And with no fossil fuel to burn, Toyota's innovative hydrogen engine emits nearly no CO2. Sure, it does produce a certain number of noxious gases, but significantly less than a pure gasoline car. But what about safety, you may ask? Toyota's got that covered too. They've added stronger connecting rods, harder valves and valve seats, and fuel injectors that use gas instead of liquid, so you can ride with confidence knowing that safety is a top priority. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. What are the benefits of this new technology? Well, let's start with the main drawback of electric cars: charging. We've all heard the horror stories, but with hydrogen, it's no big deal. Just like an internal combustion engine, car, hydrogen takes 90 seconds to fill up, and although there aren't many outlets right now supplying it, they normally integrate well with traditional gas stations. Plus, the small battery in the GR Yaris H2 requires fewer raw materials like lithium or nickel, making it even more environmentally friendly.